Are you looking for great places to camp for free?
And maybe even with hookups?
Stick around, folks. You're going to want to check this out. Hi, everybody. I'm Mike.
And I'm Susan, and we are RV Blogger. And if you've seen our videos before, welcome back.
And if this is your first time seeing us, welcome aboard. We make tons of YouTube videos all about RVing. We also have our website, rvblogger.com, where we have hundreds of helpful articles all about RVing as well. And if that's not enough, we also have a Facebook group called RV Camping for Newbies, where you can go to learn all about camping from fellow RVers. You can ask questions, you can find great destinations to go camping, you can meet fellow RVers and just have a great time in the group.
Today we're talking about one of our favorite ways to go camping for free, and sometimes even with hookups, and that's with Boondockers Welcome. We want you to stick around to the end because we have a special offer for you. So what is Boondockers Welcome? So it's a website that connects RVers with local property owners who allow RVers to stay on their property for free.
Yep, and we love it. We use it ourselves. We find that it's just a fantastic opportunity to stay places for free. Some of them have hookups, some of them have partial hookups, some have no hookups at all, but it's just a great option to camp for free. Another thing we really enjoy about it is you get to meet some really great people. A lot of the folks that are hosts are also fellow RVers. They can, you know, have fun and talk about all your different adventures, but they can also give you knowledge of the local area. Like where to go, what to do, great restaurants, great attractions, whatever's going on. So we kind of look at it like, why spend 50 bucks or more at a campground when you can stay for free at a Boondockers Welcome location? I mean, it's just a fantastic option for you.
So how does it work? So you go onto the Boondockers Welcome website and you just pick where you want to go and when you want to go, see what's available and apply.
Yeah, and what will happen is all of the locations will pop up on a map, and then you sort of, you know, move in on the map to the area where you'd like to stay. You pick on each property. It'll show you a property description, pictures of the property. It'll show you all the amenities that are available, like maybe it has water or sewer or electric or Wi-Fi. It'll also show you the rules for each property, like, you know, does the owner allow you to bring pets, or are you allowed to have a barbecue or a campfire, you know, things like that. And a really nice feature also is that you can read reviews from other RVers who have stayed at that property, which we highly recommend that you do. And then once you find a property that fits what you're looking for, you just click on the button. It'll email the owner, you request the nights that you want to stay there. The owner will check and make sure like your rig fits on their property and all that stuff. They'll go ahead and approve you, you'll be notified, and that's it, you're booked. Easy as that.
Right, and locations can be different. It could be as simple as someone's driveway. It could be a large field. One of the locations that we stayed in was a driveway, and the owners were amazing. They came out, greeted us, helped us level our RV. They were able to provide us with water and electric, which was perfect. They explained their neighborhood and where we could go for great hiking and a marina so we could sit by the water. So after we ate dinner, you know, we got to take a little tour of the land.
Yeah, it was nice. It was really nice. And another place that we stayed was a beautiful location right on a river. We had a private place to park our RV. We even had full hookups there. We were allowed to have a campfire. We had a gorgeous view of the river. They even let us go in their vegetable garden and pick some vegetables and herbs, which we did, and we had with dinner that night. I mean, it was just an incredibly great place to stay for free.
So there's two ways to sign up, and the first way is as a guest, and that's how we are. We're just RVers, and so you have access to thousands of locations all in US and Canada and even in Europe. It's only $50 a year, so for that $50 you have unlimited access to all of those properties on Boondockers Welcome.
Yep, and then the other way to sign up is as a host. So if you own a property that can accommodate an RV, then you can sign up as a host and have people come stay on your property for free, which is fantastic. We so appreciate all the hosts that are out there because it gives all of us free places to stay and spend the night.
We like free.
Yeah, we do. I mean, I think we've kind of hit on that a few times. But if you're a host, You have a couple of benefits. One of them is when people stay at your property, you earn 3 months worth of guest privileges. So that's a nice little benefit for you. Or if you sign up as a host and no one's stayed at your property yet, but you want to go out and travel and stay at some places, you can buy the membership at half price. So it's $25 instead of $50. So it's a great deal.
The way we see it, why spend $50 on a campground if you just need to stay someplace overnight and head out on the road again, when you can stay someplace like a Boondockers Welcome, possibly even getting hookups, and that's the entire year.
Yep. And so one nice feature is it doesn't even cost $50 to join. We have a deal worked out with Boondockers Welcome where our viewers, our subscribers, folks that come to our website can actually save 15% on the membership. All you have to do is put in the code RVBlogger15 and you'll save 15%. So instead of $50 to join, it's only $42.50. It's a no-brainer. If you use it one time in a year, you'll have saved more than what you spent on the membership. So just seems like a no-brainer to us. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video and leave us a comment down below to let us know what you think about Boondockers Welcome after you have a chance to check them out. Speaking of checking them out, if you'd like to check out some of our other videos, just click down below and remember to subscribe to the RV Blogger YouTube channel when you do and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every week when we come out with a brand new video. So for Mike
and Susan,
thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.